Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new, please kind of subscribe. I appreciate it. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your trunk light to an LED one. As you can see, I have the yellow light in my trunk, and this is a 2010 Toyota Corolla. I'm about to swap it to an LED type. And I already bought my LED bulb on Amazon. I'll leave the link to purchase this in the description below. Now successfully replaced the bulb. You can see how bright it is. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you again. Thank you.